Now, moving on to the next topic, in the context of counseling, sino nga ba talaga ang pwede mag-perform ng counseling? This is a common confusion kasi mas qualified ba ang registered guidance counselors or mas qualified ba ang clinical psychologists? This is a valid confusion because one, both of them, clinical psychologists and registered guidance counselors, can perform counseling in individual or in groups. And number two, both of them aim to improve or manage their clients' personal, emotional, and behavioral concerns. Now, while there are similarities between the two na pwede silang mag-perform ng counseling, there are also key differences, especially because they have distinct responsibilities or distinct roles, and they also have different areas of responsibilities, specifically in terms of education and training, scope of practice, and yung levels of complexity ng cases na pwede nilang i-handle. Now, for their first key difference is their education and training. To become a registered guidance counselor in the Philippines, one must obtain a bachelor's degree in psychology or counseling or any other related fields, which usually takes up to 3 to 4 years. And then they must also finish their master's degree in guidance and counseling, and they must pass the guidance and counseling licensure examination by the PRC. Now, on the other hand, to become a clinical psychologist, one must finish their bachelor's degree in psychology, and one must also finish their master's degree usually in clinical psychology, and gain supervised clinical experience, which is at least 1,500 hours, and then pass the licensure examination for psychologists. Now, when we talk about their scope of practice, let's focus muna on their roles as a registered guidance counselor and clinical psychologist as they are without any other nuances. So, pagdating sa RGC, ang main focus nila would be on providing counseling, career guidance, and psychoeducation, usually within academic or organizational settings. Now, ang goal nila is to help with individual development, education, and career planning, adjustment problems, at pati na rin ang group processes. Now, pwede din silang mag-administer ng psychological tests like for educational or vocational placements, pero kapag may mga clinical cases na medyo complicated or nag-i-involve na ng mental disorders, usually they refer those cases not to psychologists or psychiatrists kasi those are not within the scope of their practice. Now, when we talk about clinical psychologists naman, sila lang yung may authorization or sila lang yung authorized to diagnose mental health disorders based on the DSM-5. Now, sila lang din yung pwede makapag-conduct ng more detailed psychological assessments like yung intelligence testing, personality evaluation, or neuropsychological examinations. Now, yung mga ganitong task, yung mas deep or mas complex, generally, nagpo-fall na siya beyond the professional scope ng mga RGC. So, yung clinical psychologist lang ang pwedeng gumawa ng mga ganitong tasks. Now, in terms of testing, both registered guidance counselors and clinical psychologists can actually conduct psychological assessments. Pero usually, nagkakaiba ito sa depth and ang purpose ng testing nila. So, for RGCs, ang usual na assessments nila are focused on educational, career, and non-clinical na mga personality areas. For example, pwede silang mag-administer ng aptitude test, ng interest inventories, or basic personality questionnaires lang para matulungan ang kanilang clients or yung organization, or individual's organization, or yung students na sa career planning or sa parang mga personal adjustments nila. Now, when it comes to clinical psychologists, sila naman yung parang trained and licensed to perform complex psychological evaluations and to make clinical diagnosis na hindi nasakop ng RGCs. So, they can use more advanced tools like Rorschach, yung ink blot test, and then yung Wechsler na adult intelligence scale, na ganang klaseng mga mas complex na mga test na to assess things like intelligence, personality structure, and mental disorders. So, in short, both naman, they can test, pero mas malalim at mas diagnostic yung assessments na ginagawa ng clinical psychologist, habang yung RGCs naman focus sa guidance-related testing or for education and career context. Now, when we're talking about therapy or therapeutic interventions, na ang mga RGCs ay yung goal nila or yung aim nila is to give supportive counseling at psychoeducation sa mga clients nila, like students or employees in an organization. Lalo na yung may mga issues na ang kinalaman is yung academic, career, at personal adjustments. So, yung main goal is to help people develop yung kanilang coping skills, decision-making, at mag-promote ng wellness at self-understanding. So, according sa law, specifically the RA number 9258, ang counseling practice ng RGCs ay hindi siya nakatuon sa clinical treatment ng mental disorders. Kaya kapag may cases na parang nag-involve na ng clinical death, nire-recommend nila or nire-refer nila ito sa psychologist or psychiatrist for a much more deeper intervention. Now, when we talk about clinical psychologists, they have a much more wider na sakop pagdating sa therapy or interventions dahil sila ay trained or licensed na mag-diagnose at magbigay ng psychotherapy sa mga taong na yun, hindi na lang issues adjustment, pero yung mas may deeper issues like disorders, like depression, anxiety, or trauma, mga ganun. So, ayon sa, according sa RA sa law, which is the RA 10029, included sa kanilang practice ang psychological counseling, psychotherapy, and other therapeutic interventions na parang may goal na gamutin ang mga psychological conditions. So, kaya kung ang concern ng isang individual ay may kinalaman sa clinical diagnosis or other disorders or much more deeper issues compared lang sa mga personal adjustments, sa career guidance, ganun, mas naaangkop yung clinical psychologist na mag-handle ng therapy, ng counseling, or ng therapeutic interventions. So, our next topic would be the ethical responsibilities of RGCs and clinical psychologists.